Hello, and welcome to PrintLab, your hub for online courses, tools, and certifications in 3D CAD and 3D printing. Our mission is to equip you and your students with industry-recognized skills while empowering you to design meaningful products along the way. Let's take a look at our platform. The courses page is your main library of resources that you can pick and choose from depending on your curriculum requirements, student skill level, and personal preferences. Courses fit into 3 categories: mini courses, projects, and challenges. Mini courses provide concise videos to build foundational 3D printing knowledge, or step-by-step tutorials to develop 3D CAD skills. Each mini course ends with a quiz, and if you score 70% or higher, you can download a certificate. The mini courses are arranged in a structured learning sequence, and we suggest starting with these for your own professional development. If you don't have time to complete them all, we recommend participating in a selection that includes at least one 3D CAD course, Tinkercad for beginners or Fusion for more advanced industry standard challenge. Once you're ready to select and share courses with students, simply generate a share link from the course platform and distribute it via email, Google Classroom, or your preferred LMS. Students will have full access to the course without the need for any logins. In addition to sharing courses, you can also pin them onto the courses page for quick access. Here you can view, access or delete share links and pins, as well as view notifications from PrintLab. Next, we have projects, where students work through the full design process to make specific types of 3D printed products, such as assistive technology, sustainable homeware, STEM models, and more. When selecting projects, ensure they align not only with your curriculum requirements, but also your student skill levels and the time you have available. Although students will be designing a specific type of product, each project allows for creativity and uniqueness in their final outcome. Projects combine online activities like case study videos and CAD practice with offline tasks like brainstorming, research, and low-fidelity prototyping. As students progress through the project, they'll fill out a Google Slides template that will result in a professional portfolio documenting their work. To support educators in delivering projects, we provide a teacher instruction tab, which includes lesson plans to help you plan, organise, and implement the activities in the classroom. You'll also find essential teaching materials, such as curriculum alignment documents and assessment rubrics for grading your students' portfolios. After completing a series of mini courses and projects, students will be ready for challenges. These are live briefs where they design unique solutions for real-world organisations and individuals. Our current challenges include a global design competition to create assistive devices for people with disabilities, and a homeware challenge where students have the chance to design and sell products in a real retail store. Challenges offer complete freedom in both product and process, but this does not mean that students will be left to work out the projects on their own. Instead, they will have full access to our tools library, a comprehensive collection of design activities, tips, templates, and tutorials that can assist at any stage of the design process. While many of these tools are introduced within PrintLab courses, we've compiled them in the tools library to allow students to jump in and explore them independently. The tools library is accessible at any time from the top of the page and can even be used in creative challenges beyond what is offered in PrintLab. Whether students need design methods for generating ideas, CAD techniques to add movement to their models, or tips for troubleshooting failed prints, all this and more can be found by browsing our toolkit library. And finally, while optional, we highly recommend exploring the PrintLab certification program before you dive into using PrintLab. By submitting evidence of successfully completing a set number of mini courses, projects, and challenges of your choice, you can earn industry-recognized credentials in the form of digital badges. These verifiable and shareable micro-credentials are ideal for showcasing on your email signature, resume, social media, or digital portfolio, allowing you to highlight your skills to peers, employers, educational institutions, and the broader community at large. Digital badges are awarded upon submitting your mini-course certificates, as well as example student portfolios and challenge solutions. Additionally, there is a version of the program specifically for students, where they can submit their own work and earn their own badges. And that's it. We hope you enjoy using PrintLab to inspire the next generation, and we can't wait to see the amazing things you and your students create.